Good morning, children. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe at your home. We know you all are missing your school and classrooms. Even the school building is blank canvas without you all. You add colors and life to it. We are missing you too, and therefore we keep looking for opportunities to stay connected with you. And this virtual assembly is one such effort. Children, we appreciate you for your sincerity, regularity, and punctuality in online classes. Keep it up. And we are sure that you all are utilizing your time in positive and constructive manner. We are going to start this assembly with a prayer to God Almighty, and you all stay blessed and stay happy. Take care of yourself. Let's bring.
After welcome speech, we start our virtual assembly with a shlok. We all know that Ma Saraswati is goddess of learning. So we start our assembly with Ma Saraswati shlok. So I call our teachers sing a Ma Saraswati shlok.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
As we know, shlokas provide energy to our body and soul. Our mind gets freshness by shlokas. As we get energy by shlokas, we have to start prayer. Goddess Saraswati. So get ready for the prayer.
Now we move on our today assembly topic. We all know that 5th June is a World Environment Day. So today our assembly topic is Save Environment. So I call Khushbu ma'am say few lines on this topic.
I, Rajput Khushbu, behalf of Siddharth Foundation, welcome you all to Anti-Kothai Online Assembly. Good morning, respected principal, my teachers and my dear students. Our topic for today's assembly is Save Environment. So first thing, what is environment? I know we all will have different definition for this single word, right? In very simple word, I will address you environment as the surrounding in which the humans or plants and animals live. Now we just think that will we ever like to live in the surroundings that are bad or unhealthy? No, right? We always want to live in the surrounding or the environment that is safe for us and that others. An ideal environment is the one that does not lead to human disease and extinction of natural resources, plants and animals. Human beings play a vital role in the conservation of the environment. Good or bad environment depend on our activities. All the human actions and activities in this modern world directly impact the whole ecosystem and environment. We should monitor our actions and ensure that we restrict our hazardous activities so that environment can be safeguarded. We are responsible for pollution in the environment. Deforestation, unjustified uses of machines and electricity, using the several vehicles for traveling short distance, etc. Okay, are responsible for pollution, global warming, depletion of natural resources, untimely rains, cyclones, disease, and many more are the threats that show we are living in an imbalanced environment. Saving environment is not a big task. It is not something that cannot be tackled. We just need to take a few steps like saving the natural resources such as water, energy, etc. And we can also dispose of our waste in the correct ways and not little around on roads and public places, etc. Grow more trees, use of public vehicles and avoid using a personalized vehicle. For each members, controlling industrial waste, etc. Isn't it simple? Yes, it is. We only need to be cautious and have a control on our actions. We will surely end up at least reducing the bad effects and doing our parts in saving the environment. Thank you. Keep spreading the message.
Now I request Ranjana ma'am say few words for this academic year and encourage us for hard work.
Academic session 2021-22. Siddharth Nursery और ND Kothari School welcome to all the parents and my dear students. लास्ट ईयर हमने ऑनलाइन सेशन में पहला कदम रखा था, वो भी काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रहा, लेकिन इस साल 2021-22 का ये कदम हम बहुत सारे नए आयाम के साथ लेकर आए हैं। सबको सभी बच्चों को रेगुलर क्लास अटेंड करनी है। बच्चों के लिए अलग अलग डेवलपमेंट की बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ इस ईयर हम लेकर आए हैं। सभी पेरेंट्स को वैक्सीनेट हो जाना है। जल्द से जल्द हमें कोरोना को हराना है। घर पर ही जब तक गवर्नमेंट की गाइडलाइन नहीं आ जाती, बच्चों को घर पर ही ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करना है और बहुत अच्छे से इस साल 21-22 का रिजल्ट हमें प्रोड्यूस करना है। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
The speech of our directors has given us the idea of hard work behind the success of our institute. Now, I would like to call Mr. Jain for the news.
Hello everyone, this is Jayan Daga and I am here to present you top headlines of the day. PM Modi thanked Kamala Harris for vaccine assurance. Indian visa extended for foreign nationals due to COVID-19 by 50 days. Indian Navy and Defence Minister clears 45,000 crore mega deal for submarine procurement. Yami Gautam ties knot with Uri director Aditya Dhar. Olympic-bound Indian wrestler Sumit Malik fails dope test. Juhi Chawla has been fined 10 lakh rupees by High Court for 5G case for apparent publicity. And that is it for today's news. Thank you.
Get ready for the national anthem. Attention!
शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thanks a lot for cooperating the assembly. Have a nice day.
Thank you all of you for joining us for this virtual assembly. Have a nice day.